Zucchini. Now make sure your zucchini is nice and dark green, as well as firm with little to no blemishes. First, we'll top and tail our zucchini. I'll then cut in half. And I like to slice in tranches, which are perfect for grilling or roasting. To brunoise, we'll proceed to first thinly slice our tranche. We'll line these up and perform a julienne. I'll then turn the pile and begin to brunoise. Now with this finely diced zucchini, we can include it in a ragu or a ratatouille. We can also slice our zucchini into rounds or cut into wedges. And that is our zucchini broken down.